Okay, children, let us discuss the continuation part of Introduction to Trigonometry. Those are exercise problems. Here, let us take the next problem here. Prove that 1 plus sec a divided by sec a is equals to sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. This is what we need to prove. We will go for the second problem after completion of this one. Let us solve this one. Solution. Here, by taking the LHS. LHS is what here? 1 plus sec a divided by sec a. Let us convert this one in terms of cos, that is 1 plus sec a is equals to 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a whole divided by 1 by cos a, because we know that sec a is equals to 1 by cos a. Sec a is equals to 1 by cos a. Simplify this one again. We will get cos a into 1 is cos a plus 1 whole divided by cos a. Again here it is whole divided by 1 by cos a. So this is equals to cos a plus 1 divided by cos a into cos a by 1 into cos a by 1. So here cos get cancels. So this is equals to cos a plus 1 or 1 plus cos a. 1 plus cos a. We will multiply this one by 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. If we multiply it by 1 minus cos a by 1 minus cos a, again both get cancelled, so we will get the remaining answer same. This one will be remains the same. So by multiplying that one, 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a is what? It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means 1 square minus cos square a. Cos square a whole divided by 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a. Here 1 minus cos square a is what? Sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So 1 minus cos square a, if we take this one on this side, cos square a, then it becomes 1 minus cos square a is equals to what? Sin square a. So this is equals to sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Hence the proof. This is RHS. This is what we need to prove. Sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Hence this proof. Okay, let us solve the next problem here. Next problem is prove that root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equals to sec a plus tan a. This is what we need to prove. We can prove it by taking LHS or by taking RHS. Here I will take LHS again. Solution. What is LHS here? Root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. We will multiply both this numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a. If I multiply it by both 1 plus numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a, then we will get this. So here it is in the form of a plus b into a plus b. So we know that a plus b into a plus b is equals to what? A plus b whole square. So 1 plus sin a whole square whole divided by, it is in the form of a square minus b square. Sorry, a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is what? A square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin square a. 1 square minus sin square a. So this is equals to, keep this one as it is, root of 1 plus sin a whole square whole divided by, again this 1 square minus sin square a or 1 minus sin square a is equals to, take this Sine in this side, next it becomes what? Cos square. So value of this one is cos square A. So this is equals to, here square and square root get cancels, or if we write this one in the index form, it becomes 1 plus sin A whole square into 1 by 2. Root is what? 1 by 2 whole divided by, again it is cos square or cos A whole square into 1 by 2. Again root for both, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 get cancels. So this is equals to 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Simplify it again. So this is equals to 1 by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. So this is equals to 1 by cos A is what? Sec A plus sin A by cos A is what? Cot A. Hence the, sin A by cos A is tan A, it is sin A by cos A, cos A by sin A is cot, sin A by cos A is tan, hence the proof. This is what RHS. Okay, let us go for the next problem here, third problem. Okay children, here the next problem is, prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equals to cosec A plus cot A. This is what we need to prove. Using the identity cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. We know this identity. By using this identity we have to solve this one. Let us solve it by taking the LHS again. Solution. What is LHS here? This is LHS, that is cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Here we need to take the cosec and cot. To take that one we have to divide both numerator and denominator by any one of the trigonometric ratio. Let us divide it by taking the sin A, both numerator and denominator by sin A. If we divide it by sin A, then it becomes cos A divided by sin A minus sin A divided by sin A plus 1 by sin A plus 1 by sin A whole divided by, again cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A, 1 by sin A. So this is equals to cos A by sin A is what? Cos by sin, it is a cot A minus, here sin A get cancels, it is minus 1, here it is plus 1 by sin A is what? Cosec A whole divided by, here also cos A by sin A is what? Cot A plus, here sin A get cancels, it is again 1 minus 1 by sin A is what? Cosec A. Here we will write this one in the standard form. So this is equals to cot A plus cosec A minus 1 whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Here now we will use the identity. What is the identity there? 1 is equals to, here we will take plus 1 is equal value of plus 1. To take the value of plus 1, here we have to solve this one. Then it becomes, this gives us cosec square A minus, take this one on to left hand side, it becomes cot square A is equals to what? Plus 1 is equals to plus 1. We will use that result here in this equation. So this is equals to, here it is cot A plus cosec A minus of, we will use this result for 1, that is cosec square A minus cot square A whole divided by, keep this result as it is, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So simplify the numerator again, cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A minus of, here it is in the form of A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equals to what? A plus B into A minus B. We will write that one, that is cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A, cosec A minus cot A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 children. Now observe here, in this total terms there is a common term, cot A plus cosec A. Here cot A plus cosec A, it is a common, we will take it out. So this is equals to cot A plus cosec A. Here we have taken this one out among both. If we take it out, what is left here? Here it is left 1 minus, what is left there? Cosec minus minus of cosec A minus cot A. This is what left, whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. See here now both these two terms are same, plus 1 minus cosec A minus cosec A, minus into minus plus cot A. So both these two terms get cancels. So this is equals to cot A plus cosec A. Hence the proof. This is what we need to prove, RHS. Hence the proof, childrens. This is how we can solve the trigonometric problems by using the identities. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and comment your comments on the prob solutions, so it helps me to do the next videos. Thank you, childrens.